Hey, I brought you an elite Upwork hack on how to spend just an hour a day on Upwork and close a new client every week. I used to live on Upwork, spend at least 2-3 hours a day on the platform. I was constantly worried about missing the best opportunities in the job feed. I clicked the refresh button hundreds of times a day. Ironically, after I reduced the time on the platform, my conversion rate and lifetime value of every client only grew. It's the start of October, and I have closed 35 clients this year alone. So yeah, through this episode I will guide you on how to work less and earn more. Watch until the end, and I will reveal the math behind this hack, give you all the statistics that prove the idea, and give you the formula to implement it into your workflow. For those who are new here, I'm Ant. On this channel, I'm sharing my journey from the day I started freelancing to building a world-class video marketing agency. So let's deconstruct my hack. The first part of the hack was to analyze my behavior to eliminate the roots of time waste. It turns out that every time I received a message on Upwork, once I replied, I always went to check the job feed. Since I have at least 7 or 8 active clients at any given moment, this stream of messages never ends. The worst part is that it distracted me from my actual work. Also, mindless scrolling of the job feed is nothing better than mindless scrolling of TikTok. The solution to this problem was to move all the communication with long-term clients from Upwork to Slack. I implemented it in my onboarding process. Only contracts and invoices remain on the platform. It reduced the number of my iterations with the platform at least twice. Fewer iterations, less waste of time. But it's not enough just to stop wasting time. To boost efficiency, you need to change processes. In 2023, I was sending 5.25 Upwork proposals a day. It brought me more than one new job every week, 1.15. Back then, I encountered a problem. The lifetime value of those clients was pretty low, about $1,000 on average. Let me translate these numbers into human language. I was living on Upwork, sending tons of proposals. I was always busy, but my earnings were small and clients churned. I was desperate. The only solution that was coming to my mind to work harder, and it wasn't working. I turned things around once I realized that you can't build lasting relationships with clients who don't have long-term goals and a clear vision. So I stopped working with clients who had a small average check, a small average hourly rate paid, vague communication, and negative feedback. Also, I started working on a project only after we defined all the key targets and objectives in a scope of work document. So in 2024, I made the selection criteria stricter. On average, I'm sending about 2.5 proposals a day and getting one new job every week. It's pretty much the same as it was a year ago, but the quality of clients increased drastically. Our up-to-date LTV is more than $2,000. I presented these statistics to outline the number, roughly 3 proposals every workday. I'm not limiting myself to this number, but unfortunately, that's the average number of jobs on the feed that meet all my criteria. Since I have the template for every type of job I applied for, it doesn't take more than 10 minutes to write a catchy first line, adjust the cover letter, and apply for each one. This means that I spend 30 minutes daily researching and 30 minutes writing down proposals. Practically, my workflow looks like this. The first thing I do when I start my working day, somewhere about 10 am, is spend 30 minutes reviewing and applying to all the jobs that have been posted since my last visit. Keep in mind that I work in the Eastern European time zone, so there are usually a lot of listings to review, almost the entire American working day, and a part of the Asian and a fraction of the European working day. I perform the second lead generation session at 2 p.m. and the third at 6 p.m. The workflow of the sessions is the same, but they are shorter, 15 minutes each, since fewer jobs are posted. So here is how you can do the same. Divide the number of new clients you want to acquire every week by your current conversion rate, and you will get the approximate number of proposals you must send. Incorporate the lead generation sessions into your calendar according to your needs. That's it. Your results won't get better if you live on Upwork. The rest of your day belongs to other opportunities. If you find this video valuable, click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and do not miss out the following episodes. Get more insights on growing your freelance and agency business straight to your mailbox. Find the link to my weekly newsletter in the description. Now you know how to organize your workflow. Go watch the episode on how to use Upwork Connect like a pro.